Hello everyone, I am artist Muthuswami. First thing you want to do is block out the basic shape and composition. Lightly draw a small circle for the flower center. Around it, sketch a larger, slightly flattened circle to mark the petal boundary. Keep lines faint. Use a HB pencil so they are easy to erase later. From the center, map out 8 to 12 petals. That is, alternate long and short petals and vary their angles. That makes the flowers look very natural. So, petals nearer the weaver larger and slightly more curved. Refine each petal's edges, some smooth, some slightly ruffled, some hard, and a faint central vein on each petal. Use a HB pencil. For overlapping petals, darken the edge of the lower petal a little, suggest depth. For the center, draw a small dome shape. From it, add a short radiation stroke to indicate tiny stamens. Use a sharp HB pencil for thin lines. Then after, you can use 2B to darken selected areas for the depth. If you want a pad, sketch a broad oval shape or heart-in shape beneath the bloom and add a small notch from the stem. Blend lightly with the stem to soften transition. Don't overblend, you want texture, so use the needed eraser to lift thin highlights on the petal edges and along the veins where I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week, where I will show how to draw simple things just like this. If you liked this, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you want a oil pastel or watercolor version next. Thanks for joining me.